Hi guys, today we're setting up for LuvHebe pop-up shop. Jasmine.
Hello everybody.
Sherol. Lucky. Display at the end of this video. Please keep watching. It means so much to me. Fall Fest, Scott City, Kansas. Wimmy Diddle Artist and Crafters Event. It's my first time to join as I started Hebe November of 2020. So thankful that kids were very helpful and supportive of me. Final display at the end. Please keep watching this video. I'm open to your suggestions. Please share your thoughts, comment on the box below. Please help me grow my channel and community. As I wanted to share my crafts and be an inspiration to many. Let me give you some insights about LuvHebe. I make everything from scratch using only sustainable, natural and organic ingredients. Carefully handcrafted with you in mind. Definitely no harsh chemicals. Cruelty-free and biodegradable. I started only few products like organic lip gloss, natural hand and body lotions and goat milk soaps. Then I became unstoppable. Lol, I kept on creating products that I and my family usually use. So as for my love to clean products, it led me to create my own brand inspired by
Hebe, the goddess of youth, keeping her older gods forever young and beautiful.
It is my happiness and great pleasure
sharing the love to my family every day and to all of those who purchase the products I made as well.
I make sure to deliver what I promise on my products. Guaranteed safe, effective, and economical.
Please keep LuvHebe in mind if you are someone you know like natural and organic products.
For wholesale and private labeling or customized orders, please check the description box below.
I appreciate your time watching this video. Again, please subscribe and turn the bell on to keep you updated on my future posts. Thank you and God bless.
Beauty on! Shop at myhebebeautyusa.com.